Here I have a ESS-one engine sound system. This is just a quick little mock-up to see and hear how it does. It comes with everything, USB link to change all the motor sounds and whatnot. But here you go. Tap the throttle to get it started. I've already done the calibration. It's real simple. That's at its lowest volume setting. It actually gets pretty loud. Automatically shuts off after 5 seconds of inactivity. But that's just a quick peek at it. I'm going to mess with it some more. It's for a customer of mine. I'm putting it on his replica 2-door JK, and I'm going to see what other motor sounds and stuff like that's on there, and probably do another video here. So stay tuned. Later.